You can also use one of their apps, which the regular version is a bit more elaborate and the light version the more user-friendly one. But if you do encounter any difficulties from within the app, you can go straight to service. Very nice, very helpful people. In terms of functionality, I did find that there's not a lot more the app can do than the lock itself already can. You probably won't use the app to open the door because it's by far the slowest way compared to scanning your fingerprint or RFID card. What the app can do is show you an overview of possible multiple door locks and their unlock history. But in my opinion, its most important added value is grant users access for a fixed period of time so they can open the door by way of using the app. Conditions for this to work though is that the other party will have to download the WeLock app and register their email address. Hopefully with an update of the app, it will also be possible to grant access according to a fixed schedule. And if you want to take more advantage of the app, you can also purchase their little Wi-Fi Bluetooth box so you can fully connect it to your home network and be able to unlock the lock wherever you're connected to the internet. And although a voice controlled door lock isn't really my thing, it's good to see that WeLock is trying to make it work with both Alexa and Google and that they are trying to improve the app. Now,